Okay, so we'd just like to show you this clean and seal project that we did for Greenleaf and Costa Mesa. They had stencils all over their floor, kind of like vinyl decals, and we had to remove them because they'd become brittle and hard and becoming very unsightly, and hard edges on the floor were catching people's shoes. So we actually scraped and ground all of those off and completely cleaned them off the surface. As you can see, it left quite a mess. We got the tools for the job to get it off, and so we have these special weighted scrapers, big 6-foot pole scrapers, and obviously the little handheld ones. And we removed those all, got the floor clean of all debris. We began to do a commercial scrub over the floor, removing soil and debris that had gathered there over the few years that the floor had been in use. We put down our special in-house brand sealing product over the floor, which would just revitalize, re-nourish, and re-clarify a lot of the color in the floor, just re-enhance certain attributes of the character of the floor. It just really gives it a nice pop. And as you can see, we came back the next day to get a final shot. The owner is super happy. It's a complete turnaround on the floor. For a restaurant space or a commercial retail space, this is a really great finish. It's economical. Give us a call today. We are your team, we're your crew, we're your company to be able to take care of all of your floor sealing needs. Thank you for watching.